Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a movie to Tubi. Whether you're a filmmaker looking to share your work or just curious about the process, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Tubi's official website. Type in www.tubi.tv in the address bar and hit enter. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. Click on the sign up button in the top right corner and fill in your details. If you already have an account, simply click login and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the home page. Look for the option that says contact or contact support, then select it. Then select contact submission. Now you'll see a form where you can submit what you want to do. Fill out all the required fields, including your name, email address, and the title of your movie. Next, Tubi's team will review your submission and get back to you with any further assistance or questions. After they contact you, you can upload your movie. Tubi usually requires a digital copy of your film in a specific format such as MP4. Click on the Choose File button and select the movie file from your computer. And that's it, you've successfully submitted your movie to Tubi. Now all you have to do is wait for their review process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.